Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do the halo blur on CapCut. So first go to effects and go to video effects, go to basic, and you are going to find edge glow. You can not use it if you don't want it, but I'm just going to add this. You can also adjust the glow intensity of the glow. I don't want it too bright, so maybe around 20, and I'm just going to add it to the end of the video. Go to video effects, go to basic, or it's in trending, halo blur. Select the check mark button and you're just going to add it to both of the clips. So copy that again and adjust it till the end like so. You can also adjust the intensity a little bit if it's too much, and make sure the speed is up to 100, and do that for this too. So the intensity around 30ish, like so. Then you are going to go to the video and then select animation out and fade out, and I'm just going to have it 0.3 seconds for both animation, not combo, out, fade out, and 0.3-ish seconds, like so. And now you're going to add a white background for the overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay, and select a white stock video. And then I'm just going to adjust it till this bit. Select it, go to splice and choose overlay. If it's too bright, you can adjust it here. Select animation, fade out, and have it till the end like so. Then you're going to copy this, if I can just do that, onto the next video like so. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!